Never before have I been asked by so many people what's happening with the current real estate market here in Geelong. So I'm here to give some insights into what's happened in 2023, what's currently happening now in 2024, and what we can expect moving forward. Well, it's no secret that 2023 was a tougher year for most, and property was no different. We rode 13 consecutive interest rate rises, cost of living pressures, inflation, tightening monetary policies with the banks, and of course the confidence to the market was knocked around. In saying that, the prices throughout 2023 remained fairly steady up until that race that stopped the nation on the 3rd of November. That 13 interest rate rise, that was the one that really took the wind out of the sails. So what we found moving forward from November, we had November, December, January, where we had flatter number of sales, prices were suppressed a little bit. What we've seen now moving into 2024, the property sales through our office were down a little bit, but the listing numbers really did increase. I think we listed over 50 properties for the month of January. What we found in Feb is the market really rebounded. We saw strong sales results, we saw higher prices, and we saw the volume back to market. We transacted over 40 property sales for the month of Feb. We saw really increased property prices. We saw some record prices, and what we've seen in backing up into March now is much the same as what we saw in Feb. So we've conducted another 40 odd sales. Property prices have been strong. Stock to market has been higher. So if you are a buyer, there's more opportunity out there with listings. And if you are a seller, there seems to be more buyers back to market. So overall, there's more confidence back into the market. I think off the back of the interest rates now being steady, the next move will most likely be down. Now, when that happens, whether it's mid-year, later in the year, or early 2025, the next move will be down. So the market has really seen that. We've really seen the market come back with confidence and come back quite quickly. So one thing I can say with the Australian property market is it's resilient, and when it turns fairly quickly. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through and have a look at some of the biggest sales that we've made just through 2024 with the team across both the Geelong and the Newtown office. Mergham has continued his dominant run through Highton. Let's go and take a look at some of his results. Carl's had a great start to 2024, including 18 Girton Crescent Manifold Heights under offer at 1.55 million. Aisha continues to dominate that lifestyle market through Batesford and has a very exciting listing coming to market. David McGuinness has had a strong start to the year, selling 91 Arrigo Drive, Wellington for $2.75 million. Jim's had some record-breaking results, both through the project space and a record-breaking price at Eastern Beach Road at $4.25 million. Wayne's had a series of great sales for 2024. Let's go and take a look at his results. Jazz has absolutely dominated her marketplace. Within 2 years, she's gone from 5% to 35% market share. Volume of sales, amazing effort. Lastly but not least, Candice and myself. We've had strong sales throughout the first quarter of this month. Record sale at 50 Bond Street, Newtown at $2.165 million. Well, off the back of those sales, I think it's really fair to say the team's had a really solid start to 2024. And what can we expect moving forward? I think we'll find we'll have a fairly solid, steady real estate market. But when those interest rates start to peg back a little bit and the banks start lending, I think that's when you're really going to see some capital growth. Hope you've enjoyed this little snapshot of what's going on in 2024. We've got plenty of great properties, so visit our website, and I hope to see you out in the marketplace real soon.